today on Shiwo Science.
Shiwo Science.
In this video, we will talk about concepts like the Goldilocks zone and others. If you don't yet know any of these concepts, browse through our Fermi Paradox video to learn about them. Trappist 1 is a newly discovered solar system that contains 7 planets. It was discovered in October 2016, but it wasn't until February 2017 that we started finding out lots of information about it. All of the 7 planets in the Trappist 1 system are in the Goldilocks zone, meaning that they may contain life, and so it has been referred to as a treasure trove of habitable planets by NASA. The system is only 39 light years away from us and was discovered by astronomers at the La Silla Observatory in Chile. It is important because it may contain life on its planets, which would obviously be a major breakthrough in science and a huge advancement in our understanding of the universe. An X-ray study has found that depending on the amount of water on 2 of the planets in the system, they might have once had as much as 15 times as much water as Earth has. A space telescope called the James Webb Telescope will launch in 2018 and will give us more information about this amazing new discovery. Summed up, the system consists of 7 theoretically habitable exoplanets that have very short orbits and 1 supercool star, which is, by the way, a type of star. The star of the Trappist 1 system is 12 times smaller than our Sun and is named 2-mass, or Trappist 1a. It is less than 500 million years old and is located in the constellation Aquarius, as is the whole system. I think that this discovery of Trappist 1 is very significant and important, and that we should study further and think about sending radio signals, if not probes, in the system's direction. It wouldn't be a big thing for NASA to invest in just to send 1 signal. So if I was the leader of NASA, I would definitely send a signal. As you can imagine, if there are alien organisms on any of the 7 planets, they will probably be very different from our common image of an alien. I forgot again that you can't speak in alien. It's so weird, but I'll talk in English for you. Yeah, we are quite weird. I mean, we use stars for fidget spinners. They're pretty good, except you don't want to burn your hand when you're spinning. The universe is a very, very big place. Let's talk about it. Just before I start these next statistics, know that they will make you feel very, very incredibly small. Each galaxy has about 100,000 million stars in it. There are over 100 groups of many galaxies, each with about 100,000 million stars, in the Virgo supercluster, a huge 110 million light-year chunk of space in which our galaxy is barely noticeable. Each light year equals 9.461 e plus 12 kilometers. This, however, is nothing. The Virgo supercluster is a minuscule part of a bigger chunk of space called the Laniakea supercluster that is some 500 million light years across and contains 100,000 groups of galaxies, each with 100,000 million stars. But wait, there's more. Much, much more. The Laniakea supercluster is a small part of the whole observed universe, the whole chunk of space known to man that stretches 9.3 billion light years wide and has about 2 trillion galaxies, each with about 100,000 million stars in it. And it's not over. The observable universe is a small part of the whole of space, which is in theory so ridiculously big that nobody can even measure and put it into words. A scientific estimate states that the whole of space is 150 followed by 21 zeros times 93 billion times 9.461 by 2.71 plus 12 kilometers large. Now that's a huge number. How could it possibly be that big? Back there on Earth, it's okay. I can talk in English for you. I know English as well. Did you know there are more stars in the universe than all the grains of sand on Earth combined? That's crazy. Anyway, watch what I can do with this ray gun. Since the universe is constantly expanding at a speed faster than the speed of light, the universe outside the observable universe will probably never be seen at all because the light would keep going backwards. This means that even if we waited for eternity until the universe would die, the light would still never, ever reach us. If you feel small after considering all this, you are not alone. In fact, we don't know if we are alone. Are we? We should simply keep looking for the truth. After all, we have loved the stars too fondly to be fearful of the night, as Galileo once said. And I bet you, somewhere out there, something incredible is waiting to be known.